Hello students. Students, now we are going to solve the question number 4 of exercise number 6.2. Okay. In this question we have given one figure. In this figure PQ parallel to ST. PQ parallel to ST. Angle PQR is equal to 110 degree and angle RST is equal to 130 degree. Find QRS. We have to find angle QRS. This angle we have to find. Students, in this type of questions, we will draw a parallel line parallel to one of the two lines. Okay. Suppose we are drawing a parallel line through R parallel to ST. This thing. Suppose it is M. That means we have given PQ parallel to ST and we have drawn RM parallel to ST. That means PQ must be parallel to RM. Is it? PQ must be parallel to RM. Students, one more thing, you should note it down, that if two lines are parallel and a transversal intersect them, then the figure or then the letter is forming, that is C. If I do, see this part, this and this, it is Z. That means Z is forming in this way. Two lines are parallel, it's a transversal. These two corners are equal, alternate interior angles. This Z can be formed in this way. These two corners are equal. Clear? This Z can be formed in this way. These two corners are equal, or in this way also. That means wherever you will find Z, that means alternate interior angles are equal. And what about corresponding angles? It is for alternate interior angles and it is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. What about corresponding angles? See, if I draw the lines in this way, F, that means two lines are parallel and it's a transversal, intersect them at this corner. So these two corners are equal. This figure can be formed in this way. Clear? This figure can be formed in this way. Okay? And also in this way. So whenever you find Z, that means alternate interior angles are equal, and whenever you find F, then corresponding angles are equal. Clear? So pause the video to be noted down. Now, here in this question, since PQ parallel to ST given, draw RM parallel to ST. Draw RM parallel to ST. This implies PQ parallel to ST parallel to RM. That means all the three lines are parallel. When from figure, we can write from figure. See, this angle and this 130 degree will have the sum 180 degree. 130 degree angle, 130 degree plus angle SRM is equal to 180 degree angle, or we can write simply ST parallel to RM. From here we can find angle SRM is equal to 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. This angle is 50 degree. Now we have to find QRS, this angle. Again from figure. See, PQ and RM are parallel. PQ parallel to RM. This implies angle PQR is equal to angle QRM, alternate interior angles. Is it? Now PQR is given 110. So 110 is equal to QRM. This is full angle. That means QRS plus SRM. Angle QRS plus angle SRM from figure. Clear? Now 110 is equal to QRS. We have to find angle QRS plus SRM. SRM is 50 degree. We have found here plus 50 degree. This implies angle QRS is equal to 110 minus 50 degree. That is angle QRS is equal to 60 degree. This is the answer. Okay. So pause the video to be noted down.